Good evening to all teachers. So in this video training module, we will be discussing how to present any video module on WebEx app during the live class. Now, before we can present any video module on the WebEx application, we need to download the video module either from YouTube or any other pertaining website. Okay. Before we start the demonstration of presenting any video module on the WebEx live application, we will see some steps how to download any video from YouTube. Teachers, there are multiple ways by which video can be downloaded from YouTube. But in this video training session, I am only showing you one of the easiest methods by which any video can be downloaded easily from YouTube. Okay, for that, you need to install a browser that is called Firefox or Mozilla Firefox. To install Mozilla Firefox, if it is not there on your system, you can kindly open Google Chrome and type download Firefox. Once you are clicking on that link, you will see that the first result that comes up will display download Firefox browser. Kindly click on that and simply click on the button of downloading Firefox. Wait for a few moments, you will see that the Firefox setup file is there. You just need to click on it and follow the necessary instructions so that Firefox can be installed on your system. You will see that the icon of Firefox browser will appear on your desktop screen just like this. Open Firefox. Now we need to install an extension which will automatically allow us to download any video from any YouTube channel or any YouTube module. For that, please go to the top right corner of Firefox browser. You will be able to see three arrows there. Kindly click on that. After that, kindly go to the option of add-on and themes. After that, kindly go to the option of add-ons and themes. Click on it. Now at the top you will find a search bar. Okay, please type YouTube downloader. Okay, and press enter. Firefox will search for the results and it will show you multiple results. I recommend you for using the first search result that is coming, the first extension that is coming. Easy YouTube video downloader icon will be like this and the author will be Dishita. Okay, kindly click on it. Once you are clicking, there is an option to add it to Firefox. Please click on the button of add to Firefox. If any permission is asked for, you can click on add. Now once this extension is added, you will be able to download any video directly from YouTube. Let us see a demonstration of the same. Let me open YouTube on Firefox. Once again I am restarting Firefox. Here I am opening Firefox. Let me open you can say YouTube on Firefox. Now let us suppose we want to go for search of any video based on trees. Okay, so here I am entering trees for kids. Now whatever video we like, suppose I want to download this video, plants and trees. We can simply click on that.
Grammarly helps you work more efficiently, which makes accomplishing your work goals easier.
Okay. Now there is no need to play this video, teachers. Because of the add-on you have added, you will see that an automatic button of download is added to YouTube at the bottom of the video. Remember, there is no need to keep the video in playing mode. You can pause the video once it starts playing. Okay, and there is a download button at the bottom. Click on the download button and click on any version of the video that you want to download. Now for playing any video in WebEx, it is recommendable that you download videos with 360p. Okay, don't download videos with 720p or 1080p, which may be of higher quality, which maybe our WebEx app will not support. Okay, so try as far as possible, try to keep the size of the video less than 25 or 30 MB. Okay, so let us click on it. Once you are clicking, it is asking us where do we want to save the video. You can select any random folder on the desktop and save it. And once you click on that, you will see that Firefox has downloaded, and physically you can verify that the downloaded files is now available on the desktop. In this way, teachers, you can say download any videos from Firefox easily. Yes, there are other options by which videos can be downloaded, but this was one of the safest option and the easiest options by which you can download any videos from YouTube. Now let us go to our WebEx app and see how we can share this video with the students. I am opening WebEx app, and randomly for any class I am starting the meeting. Okay, now there can be some issues where students might be reporting that teacher, I am able to see the video, but I am not able to hear the audio which is there in the video. Now this problem can occur when some of the teachers are sharing the screen. Now let us see the option of sharing the screen. Share screen. Now in this case, what happens? Teacher might be feeling that yes, we are playing the video, and teacher might feel that sound is coming from the video. But the problem is in this sharing screen method, many a times it may happen that students are not able to hear the audio, they are only able to see the video. Many a times it can happen. Okay, so we have one more method by which we can share this file, and a student will be able to see the video as well as he or she will be able to see the audio also. For that, what we will do, let us stop the sharing. Now in the share option, there is an option of share file. Okay, if you are able to see, teachers, in the share option, if you go at the bottom, there is option of share file. Okay, you can click on share file, and you can select the particular video which we actually saved on the desktop. Once you click on that, there will be some message coming from WebEx. Kindly click on OK, and now only the video with its audio will be shared. Once you start playing, definitely now properly a student will be able to hear the video as well as the audio. Okay, if you are sharing screen,
we see plants growing.
It can happen that many a time some students are able to see the video, but they may not be able to always hear the audio properly. Okay, so that is one method which may work, but this is a method of sharing the file which will definitely work. And as you are able to see, as we are playing the video will also be played, and the audio will also be heard properly by the students when you are sharing the file.
Plants are useful for.
Okay, there will be other options which you can try up. You can expand the case, fine. You can increase or decrease the volume. Okay, here what is the case, we even need not you can say share the screen, and we need not keep our microphone unmuted. Okay, we can directly, what you can say, play the video from the share file method, and mostly the students will be able to hear. You can even maximize the video and minimize the video as per your liking, but in most cases these videos will be played. Okay, and try to, teachers, kindly make sure that you are trying to keep the size of the video less than 30 MB, so that all students will be effectively able to see, because it is possible that when you are sharing the video, some students will have good internet connectivity, some students will not have that much proper internet connectivity. So to make sure that everyone is able to see the video properly, make sure the size of the video is not more than 25 or 30 MB. Okay, so I request all teachers can just try this up before you can demonstrate it to students in the live class. Okay, and if any doubts are there regarding this video module, you can always contact me. So that will be all from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.